cool.
I don't like when it flies right at my face.
Oh, yeah!
You're a little buggy.
Come on, go. We gotta have one come over and get that one. We really do.
Hey, Matt, no, you got your hand.
I know.
Yeah, my hand.
It's pretty good. I just like throwing them in.
Oh, get him! Pigeons are harmless. It's the bigger ones you worry about.
What is up? Hey, homie. He's the ugly duckling.
Oh, little birdie.